Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the latest in beauty with expert insights and honest opinions. Today, we're taking a close look at a product that promises to bring a little bit of luxury to your beauty routine. Stila's National Treasure Convertible Color Lip and Cheek Cream in quad number 1. It's a multitasking cream that's designed to give your lips and cheeks a pop of color. And if you're like me, you're always on the lookout for products that simplify your routine without compromising on performance. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. Now let's talk about the basics. The Stila National Treasure Convertible Color is a cream formula that works as both a lip and cheek color. It's got that creamy, buildable texture that blends seamlessly, making it versatile for both subtle and more intense looks. The shade I'm reviewing, quad number 1, features a beautiful mix of colors that give you a natural flush with a soft, dewy finish. Whether you're looking for a gentle daytime look or something a little bolder for the evening, this product is designed to work for both. When you open the compact, you'll notice the formula is smooth, almost velvety. There's no greasy feeling, which is a plus, and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. As for ingredients, it's formulated for all skin types, so it should work well for both dry and oily skin types. The texture is really where this product shines. It blends like a dream, giving you that perfect, fresh-faced glow. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I'm impressed by how easy it is to incorporate into my routine. I typically apply it in the morning as part of my everyday makeup look. Whether I use my fingers, a brush, or a sponge, the cream glides on effortlessly and provides an even, smooth finish. The color is buildable, so I can start with a light touch and add more if I want a bolder look. On the cheeks, it gives a healthy, natural flush, and on the lips, it's a soft, hydrated wash of color that isn't drying. Always a bonus. Now let's break down some of the pros and cons. On the positive side, this product is incredibly versatile. It's a 2-in-1 that works both on your lips and cheeks, which saves you time and space in your makeup bag. The texture is lightweight, and it blends beautifully, giving a radiant finish without feeling sticky or greasy. The pigmentation is great. It's buildable, which means you can adjust the intensity depending on the look you want to achieve. However, there are a few things worth mentioning. While the cream texture is generally smooth, if you apply too much, it can sometimes feel a little tacky on the skin, especially in hot or humid conditions. Another downside is the price. Stila is a luxury brand, and this is reflected in the cost. But if you're someone who values high-quality, versatile products, it could be worth the splurge. When it comes to value for money, it's a bit of a mixed bag. Yes, it's high quality and long-lasting, but the price might be a sticking point for some. The fact that it serves as both a lip and cheek product does add value, as you're essentially getting 2 products in one compact. If you're on a budget, there are more affordable options out there, but the performance of this product is definitely top tier. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you might want to check out some drugstore brands like Maybelline or ELF. Both offer cream blushes that are similar in texture and performance, but at a fraction of the price. However, if you're someone who values luxury and high performance, Stila does deliver on both fronts. When it comes to build quality, the compact is sturdy and the product itself has a good shelf life. The packaging is sleek and travel-friendly, making it easy to take with you on the go. There are no issues with breakage or the product drying out, which I appreciate. In terms of customer service, Stila is known for being responsive and offering solid support for their customers. While I didn't need to reach out directly for this review, it's always comforting to know that a brand stands behind its products. So, would I recommend the Stila National Treasure Convertible Color Lip and Cheek Cream? If you're looking for a versatile, high-quality product that performs well on both lips and cheeks, I'd say this is a great choice. It's especially perfect for those who love a natural, glowing look that's easy to apply and build. However, if you're on a tight budget, you might want to explore other options that offer similar results without the luxury price tag. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.